This is to show you how to adjust a calendar and the time slots in for your business in high level. So on your left hand side, you have all of these options here. You need to go right down into settings, and on the left hand side, you'll see calendars. So click on calendars, and you will find your business calendar here. Sometimes you have more than one. So on these three dots, you click on the three dots and you click on edit. Okay. The team and event setup, you leave it as it is and you go into availability. So in your thing, it's a 30-minute slot duration. The slot intervals are also every 30 minutes. That means you're going to have it between, say, if it's between 9 and 1, you can have it 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30. That's the slot interval. And the duration of the slot is 30 minutes as well. Buffer is how many minutes do you want in between each appointment, which is not we normally keep at 0. And appointments per slot is 1 because there's only one consulting room or one person can be seen at a time. And you can put the maximum number of appointments per day, but this we normally leave blank. The scheduling notice is how long do you need before somebody can book an appointment. So you want about 1 day, which is 24 hours. Sometimes you want this 12 hours or something like that. And you can even put the date range in here up until when they can book. I don't do that. It's generally good to keep that open. So in this case, we want to change these calendar dates. We want to take out Mondays in this instance, and we want to make Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at a certain time. So I just want to double check those times, and no Mondays, Tuesdays to Thursdays 1 to 4 p.m., Fridays 10 to 1 p.m. So we go back Tuesdays to Thursdays 1 to 4 p.m. So we're going to go back to this diary. Tuesdays and Thursdays is 1 p.m. You adjust that to 4 p.m. Just want to double check that I did that correctly. Tuesdays to Thursdays is 1 to 4 p.m. Yes, that's correct. And then I can do apply to all. All right. So then it does Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays 1 to 4 p.m. because that's what we want the majority of the week for. And then on Friday, we want to change that. So on Friday, we want to change it to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So on a Friday, I'm going to go and physically change that to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Just double check that again. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Yes. So on Friday, it's 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. We double check this. This is Tuesday, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., Wednesday, 1 to 4, Thursday, 1 to 4, both p.m.s, and Friday is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Right? And this is on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So we're going to click on save. And thereafter, you just click on complete. And that is how you change the diaries and look at the durations, change the diary duration. So if we now go to the diary, the important thing to note is that appointments that were already made outside of these hours will remain the same. You would have to, so any appointments that was made prior to this point will remain exactly the same in the diary. If you guys need to go and change that, then you'd have to go and physically change that because we obviously can't just move patients to a different slot without consulting with them. So you'd have to do a physical change on that. I want to go and look at this diary now just to test it out, and you'll see that um, going forward, if we want to book an appointment, so say we want to book an appointment for 30th of November, which is a Tuesday, there's only slots open from 1 to 4 p.m. Okay, so this is working. I hope this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.